Hi SJB artists, it's Miss Duncan. Welcome back to art class. Today we're going to do a project that was inspired by the education department at the Norton Art Gallery. So big thanks to them, but we're going to do it with a slightly SJB flavor to it. You're going to need a piece of paper. I'm going to use a piece of poster board for a slightly larger piece, but you can use something as small as a piece of typing paper. You'll also need scissors, something to write with, and I used a glue gun, but you can use tape or regular glue, just something to stick it together. All right, so let's get started. The first thing that we'll need to do is make sure that your piece of paper is a square. So the easiest way to do that is to fold it into a triangle here and square it up. And we're just gonna mark that excess right there and trim it off. This piece will ultimately provide you a place to display some of the artwork that I know you've been busy making. Once you have your perfect square, you're going to fold it in half, square up your corners, and then you'll unfold it and fold it in half again. All right, at this point, we'll get your scissors and cut from the middle point of any side to the center. All right, as we have talked about with our elements of art, we have made a shape and we're gonna bring it into a form. You fold one corner over the other, and now we have a corner where you can build your museum. This is where you'll need your glue or tape. Just make sure that you tag your corners and that they are securely done. And then after you are finished building your form, you need to engage in a little interior decoration. So surprise me and impress me. I can't wait to see what you've made.
Oh, hey, my name is Liam Duncan and I'd like to show you my corner of the museum. I saw this guy, The Thinker by Rodin. I made it out of tinfoil and put it in this museum so I could have a place to put it.
Hello, my name is Emma. I would like to tell you about my corner of the museum. I was inspired by Monet's water lilies. So I did these water lilies. I needed a place to put it, so I built my corner of the museum, water lilies. Since we know that the Norton Art Gallery is very famous, people came to see water lilies. Thank you, bye. Hi. My name is Mary Cason of the museum. I couldn't know where my art was, so my art went. I built a museum and then earned a daytime visits. So here's my unicorn.